when students are here on site, they're running the businesses. They run this town for the day. The adults are just the bystanders.
It feels good to be part of the BizTown community.
I learned a lot. I knew that it was going to be hard, but as soon as I got here, it looked pretty easy.
Junior Achievement is a nonprofit that exists to prepare students kindergarten through 12th grade to succeed and work in life. Junior Achievement has been around for 100 years across the country and for 65 years in Arizona. We are one of approximately 20 other JA BizTown locations. Each year, we have about 25,000 students from across the state of Arizona come through these doors every year to experience JA BizTown for themselves.
We are so excited to have Maricopa Community College as a booth, as a shop here in BizTown.
For Maricopa to be a storefront there, when students come to the store, they learn about the occupations or positions within the Maricopa system, but two, they learn about why choosing Maricopa can really help them attain their career goals, whatever they may be.
So I was asked to lead the project to create Maricopa's booth at BizTown, and we were able to pull together a group of experts, of faculty and staff from across the district. We had representatives from marketing, we had instructional designers, faculty, and even a college president that came together to really create not just this physical space, but also some engaging activities for the students coming through BizTown as well.
What's incredible about this partnership and experience is that it's rare when you have two organizations and their missions align. And when we first came together, it was very clear that the goal of Junior Achievement and the goal of Maricopa Community Colleges were so closely aligned together. So this was a natural partnership. It was just having the right conversations at the right time with the right people around the table. We were able to make something very special happen.
I would like to say thank you very much for allowing our children and our students to have this opportunity. I think that your continued support is going to change a lot of lives and really enhance our communities.
Thank you so much to Maricopa Community Colleges for partnering with us in JA BizTown and helping to serve these kids and prepare them for a great future.
I hope you can come, and I hope you also have a good day at BizTown because it's a wonderful place.